On today's body cam, we're checking out crazy girlfriend has psycho meltdown when boyfriend breaks free from her control.
On March 21st, 2024, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
You're so done with this. You've been here before.
Yep. Okay, but right now, the police are here.
I'm never going to forgive you.
I didn't do any of this.
Yeah, your mom did. What?
Any of this. Hold on, that's okay. What's going on?
Why is what you
causing a scene?
Are you going to talk to me?
Damn, she bigger than him. What the fuck going on here? Boy, hold up, boy. She towering over him, boy. Hold up.
This.
Yeah, your mom did. What?
Any of this. Hold on, that's okay. What's going on?
Why is what you
causing a scene?
Are you going to talk to me or not?
Hold
Are
on.
you going to talk to me or not? We're getting a restraining order against you. Good job, Lewis. Good job, you. Good job, Lewis. Good job.
All right, what's going on?
I'm just trying to talk to him. His mom's upset because we're trying to talk right now.
We can have a conversation, but you're screaming and you're forcing me to get in your car. I'm not doing this. We can have a conversation.
Then we're done.
And I'm telling you that we
Then
can
we're
literally
done.
talk tomorrow.
Then we're done.
Then you're okay.
If you don't get in here
I'm not
right now and
doing
talk to
that.
me, we're done.
I'm not doing that because
Is this? You see this line right here? Do you really want me to finally cross this line? Is this
What
what
are
you
you
want?
talking
Is this
about?
what you want?
this is not my choice.
Is this what you
What are you
Lewis?
talking about? What am I?
Are you getting in the car or not?
All right. Here. Go ahead and step over there. All right. Okay. So what's going on?
I'm upset.
Yeah, she's manipulative, boy. She be, yeah, you could tell. If you don't do this, then this is over. Like, what? Then let it be over, man. Shit, I'm back on the market. What you at? Oh, I'm back. Yeah. What? Shit, you want to break up then? Break up. Break up then. Shit. I remember I was with one chick that did that type of stuff. Like, that she would say stuff that she really didn't mean, but she would say it to get a reaction out of me. You know, like, for example, this girl, right? She really doesn't want to break up, right? But she's giving him an ultimatum. Like, oh, if you don't do this, then we're doing that, right? To try and get the outcome that she's looking for or whatever. But with me, if you give me the ultimatum, I'm going to take the ultimatum and not the one that you looking for. You're going to be sick. Like, for example, with this, if you don't get in this car, then we're broken up. Well, shit, I'm calling my boys. I'm back on the market. It's lit. Where's your favorite bar? Because guess where I'm going? I'm going there. What? Well, yeah. Where's your favorite club? Guess what? I'm going there, man. I'm going there. I got a seat. I'm back on the market. Yeah. Got new prospects, man. And then ultimately, right, because she isn't looking for that response, she's going to get pissed off, right? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Listen, don't give me an ultimatum because you not gonna like it, boy. It's not the way you looking for it.
Okay. Have you made any threats? Anything like that?
None of your
Let me see
business.
your arms.
None of your business.
It is my business.
It's none of
now.
your business.
It is now.
It's none of your business.
It is now.
Well, it's not.
Okay.
I'm
All
not
right.
going to the hospital.
I strongly suggest you get
Well,
in
I'm
the
not
car.
going to the hospital, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Alex, why didn't you listen?
Why didn't you listen to me? One car ride is all you needed, Lewis. I'm on this because you can't act.
What are you talking about? I told you.
Let me see your arms.
I haven't done shit.
Huh?
I haven't done shit, Blue Eyes.
Look at your
Okay.
arms.
Well, we're going up to the hospital, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
You are.
I'm not.
You have to.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
All right. Well, that's gonna get that.
I'm not going up to the hospital.
You are, unfortunately.
Well, I'm not.
Why are you doing that?
Okay.
We're done. We're done. And I'm not going to the hospital, Lewis. I don't care what happens to me. I'm not going. This is what you did.
I didn't do anything, dude. All I did was take.
You didn't get in the car.
His dog died.
Well,
You didn't get in the car.
He's not going.
You think I care?
Stop.
I don't
We're
care.
not yelling back and forth. Okay, the time for arguing is done.
I'm drowning right now in my Sonic game.
You're what?
Sorry, I said I'm drowning right now. Have you played this game before?
No, what game is it?
Sonic the Hedgehog?
I've played Sonic before, yeah.
Yeah, he's drowning.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. So, okay. Can I just see your arms?
No,
Why?
because I don't feel like you look into my arms.
Okay. You do know that I would have to take you to the hospital
Well, I'm not going to
if
the
you've
hospital.
made statements.
Well, I haven't, so I'm not going to the hospital.
Yeah. Do you feel like you want? Okay.
I just feel angry, like a person feels
You're angry right now because of that?
I'm angry over the situation.
Okay. Okay. What's going on? You guys just been arguing or what?
It's just a pretty upsetting time.
Okay. Why?
I don't feel like getting into it, as I said before.
Okay. Well, I mean, I might be able to give you some good advice. So that's why I was asking.
Well, I'm not really looking for that.
Okay.
I mean, when did you become a cop? Like right out of high school?
Like 2 years ago.
2 years ago? How old are you?
25.
25. So you became a cop at 23?
Yeah.
I'm 23.
Nice.
Yeah. That's interesting. Mm-hmm. How's that cigarette?
Do you have the text or anything?
We have the text, we have everything on camera, all of it.
Well, I'm not going anywhere.
All the threats, everything on text, everything. Lewis can show you.
Okay.
Is that what you're going to do, Lewis?
Yeah, that's what he's going to do.
Is that what you're going to do, Lewis?
Help. You need help.
No, because once you do that, we're done. Once you try and do shit, we're
Good.
Calm down.
Good.
This is what you fucking chose.
Calm down. Take a deep breath.
See if we got proof of her making statements.
Yep.
There's no proof.
Why are they saying you do?
Because his mom's dramatic.
You got it up.
We have it on camera.
Alex, if you just calm
I said 15 minutes.
This is clearly not a time.
This is what you wanted to do instead of 15 minutes.
We could have talked right here, right now.
This is what you wanted to do instead of 15 minutes.
Screaming. Listen,
Lewis, are you really letting your mom take your phone? Okay, sir, I'm leaving.
No.
I'm leaving,
No.
sir. I don't need you to put power over my car.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
I have the right to leave.
Stop.
Thank you. I have the right to leave. I have the right to leave.
Let me see your arm. Which
no,
arm is it? Which
I have the
arm
right.
is it?
Why are you grabbing me, sir?
Stop.
If you
Sir,
can't, hey,
why are you
listen,
grabbing
just
me?
listen real quick.
I'm not being aggressive.
If you cannot
I'm just saying
stop
don't grab my
waving
body.
your arms, you're
Don't
going to go in
grab my body.
handcuffs.
Okay, no waving, but no grabby. All right?
You need to show me
Do
your
not
arm.
grab the.
Show me your arm.
No.
Arms.
Show me your arm.
you'll talk.
No, I'm leaving, Lewis. This
No,
is
you're
what
not.
you want to
Show
fucking
me
do.
your arm.
No,
Just
you're
don't.
not seeing my arms,
Yes.
eyebrows.
Show me. I just see it.
You're
I
not
just saw
seeing
a
my
picture.
arms, eyebrows. You're not seeing
I'm
them.
eyebrows too. Just don't escalate things.
Show me your arm.
No,
Okay? You just need to calm down.
no. This is what you chose to give. You didn't have to give your phone
Better
up.
today.
You chose to give your phone up.
Talk to you.
You chose to give your phone up.
She sent that today.
As long as you calm down. Now listen, I don't know if
Listen.
that picture, yes, it was sent today. I don't know if that picture was
I need to see your arm.
She's cut herself
It was an
in
old
the past.
picture.
It could
I
be
need
an
to
old
see your arm.
picture.
No.
If it's an old picture, then show us.
But there you
Okay,
go,
there
Alex.
you go.
Both arms.
Dumbass.
Both arms.
No.
Both arms.
No.
Both
I'm
arms.
leaving.
Okay, then you're going to go up to the hospital.
Nope. Alex.
No. Stop it.
I'm leaving. Stop.
No, you're not.
Stop being aggressive.
Alex, just calm down.
I'm fucking leaving. Stop being aggressive.
Do not
I'm
grab
not
on me.
waving. I'm not waving.
We are not going to go this
Do not
I'm
grab
not
on him.
going
We are
with
not
you
gonna
guys.
go this
I'm not
route.
going with you guys.
Hey, Alex, I will.
You got pepper spray?
Turn off the car.
No, I'm not turning off
Turn
the
off
car.
the car.
No.
Listen, Alex, I will. Look,
I'm not turning off the car. I'm not turning off the car.
look at me, Alex.
Don't grab my hand.
I'm leaving. I'm
Grab my arm like that. Let go of it. Knock it off.
leaving. I haven't done shit.
Freaking care.
I'm leaving.
Get out of the car.
Leaving. I'm leaving.
Stop it.
Leaving.
Me act that. Knock it off.
Leaving.
Alex,
Knock it off.
Good job. Your phone really did a lot, Lewis. Good job. Leaving. I'm
Get off.
not. I am leaving. You
Stop.
guys are being unnecessarily aggressive. I'm
Stop.
Alex.
Think about your actions. Please stop.
That is disrespectful. I have not been disrespectful. This is disrespectful.
Alex, you're gonna get sprayed if you keep resisting.
This is disrespectful.
Knock it off!
This is disrespectful. This is disrespectful.
Knock it off!
This is
Knock it off! We're done!
This is disrespectful.
Stop resisting!
Yeah, officer about to lose his shit dealing with her, boy. He about to snap.
Knock it off! We're done!
Disrespectful. In my head is down. Disrespectful as fuck.
Knock it off!
I'm not even moving. I'm not even
Put your hands on your back.
Got her ass together, boy.
On the freaking computer. Hang on.
231 test.
I hate you. I hate you. You see it?
Knock it off!
You Lewis, really? You
Elementary, he just lost his dog this morning. And she went nuts because he was actually in a movie. He was in a movie premiere, an independent film up in Michigan. He just got back in town and he came home to a dying dog. And she's going crazy. And this, as you know, you've been here before. This is insanity. And she was just banging and she was threatening about, there's plenty more threats on his computer, where on Discord or whatever, where all caps typing and just would not. Actually, we came back on Sunday. He told Alex that we just got back because he just wanted a break. But this is like, I've tried to talk to the grandparents, and it's.
So what happened today? What happened today? Yeah, y'all went to the movies, came back. What? Come on, man.
They're useless. And I hope that one is evaluated because.
Yeah, she's going to be. We're taking her up to Robert Young and see what we can do there.
We're literally trying to grieve a family member, and it's just so hard. And I'm so sorry. This is embarrassing.
No, you're fine. I mean, stuff happens. I mean, she should have.
We have plenty more if you need.
Okay, yeah. If from the ones from today, I need all of those.
Lewis, all the ones from today. Where is it?
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct, aggravated battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest. Thanks.
Yeah, see, my advice to Lewis, man, listen, if I was one of his boys, my advice to him would be, listen, cut her loose, man. Cut her loose, you know, go to the gym, you know what I'm saying? Meet you some, you know, get you a nice community in the gym and, you know, hang out with your boys for like a good 2 weeks, you know? And then after that, get back out there on the market, man. Because, listen, time heals all wounds. But, hey, you might need something to pass the time. You hear me?